Hello students, welcome to Center National classes. Students, we are working from home. Now let us look at the question number 8 of exercise 7 miscellaneous. So determine the number of 5 card combinations out of 52 cards if each selection of 5 cards has exactly one king. Okay, so out of 52 cards we have to draw any 5 cards. Okay, so we have how many combinations would be there, but there is one condition that out of these 5 cards, 1 should be of king and 4 should be of non-king card. Okay, non-king card. So we have to choose 1 king and 4 non-king card. So required number of ways would be equals to required number of ways equals to whatever we have to choose 1 card of king. There are 4 card of king, that is 4c1. We can pick any one from out of these 4, and there are 48 non-kings cards. So out of those 48 cards we can select any 4 cards. So that is our answer. Very easy question. Okay, now look at the question number 9. It is required to seat 5 men and 4 women in a row so that women occupy the even places. Then how many such arrangements are possible? So there are total 9 people. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, now this is first seat, this is second, this is third seat, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6, this is 7, this is 8, and this is 9. Total 9 seats. But there is a condition that women occupy the even places. So we have 4 women, so women 1 could sit over here, women 2, women 3, and women 4. So they would be on even places, and men could be on odd places. Men 3, men 4, men 5. So this is a one arrangement in which we can arrange these people out. Okay, but these 4 women can also arrange in 4 factorial ways, because maybe women 2 could sit over here, women 3 over here, women 4 over here, women 1 over here. So these 4 women can arrange their seat in 4 different ways. Same way, these 5 men can also shift their seats in 5 factorial different ways, because man 1 could sit over here, man 2 over here, man 1 over here, man 3 is here, man M2 is over here. So these 5 men also can shift their places in 5 factorial different ways. So now required number of seating arrangements would be equals to 4 factorial. This is the arrangement of the women, and 5 factorial. This is the arrangement of the man. So 4 factorial is 24 and 5 factorial is 120. Okay, so 48. So these are the total ways in which these men and women can be arranged, where women will occupy the even places. I hope it's clear. Please pause the video and note it down. We now look at the question number 10. So in question number 10, we have given that in a class there are total 25 students, and a school has decided to throw an excursion party, but there is a condition that in that excursion party they can allow only 10 students. So we have to choose 10 students out of these 25 students. Okay, but there are a group of 3 students who are best friends. There is one condition of them, that either all of them will join the party or none of them will join the party. Either all of them will go to the party, otherwise no one will go to the party. Then we have to choose in how many different ways can we make the party. Can we choose those 10 people? Okay, so there is case first. Case first is when all three students join the party. Okay, join the party. When these 3 students are going to the party, so total students we were supposed to take 10. Out of them 3 are sorted, that these 3 students will go. So we don't think about them. Now how many students left to make the party? There are 7 more students. Okay, so we have to choose only those 7 students out of 22 students, because 3 students already decided they are ready to go to the party. So we left with 22 students. Out of those 22 students, we have to choose 7 students. So number of ways would be equals to 1. What is the way of choosing 3 students? Then out of 22 students, we have to choose any 7. So it means what? 22C7. Now case second is when all three students don't join the party. When these students won't go to the party, they are sorted that we won't go to the party. Right now we have to choose 10 students, but out of how many students? Out of 20, because these 3 students they have back out themselves, so we left with 22 students. So out of those 22 students we have to choose 10 students. So number of ways would be 22C10. So now total number of ways of choosing students for the party. But that would be equals to case first plus case second. So it is either 22C7 plus 22C10. So this is our final answer. These are the required number of ways in which we can make the party. I hope it's clear. Easy question. Simple. There is one simple condition. Either all of them will go, then 3 students are sorted. We have to choose 7 students out of 22. But when none of them is going, then we have to choose 10 students out of the 22 students. As simple as that. Now please pause the video and note it down. Now look at the question number 11. Question number 11 is, in how many ways can the letters of the word assassination be arranged so that all the S's are together? Okay, so we have to make, first of all, count how many letters are there. A double S I N A T I O N. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. Total 13 letters are there. 13 letters. Whereas S's are, there are 1 2 3 4 S's and 1 2 3. There are 3 A's and there is I, 1 2 I's, and there is, how many N's are there? There's 1 and 2 N's, and how many O are there? 1 O and 1 T. So 7, 9, 11 and 13. Okay. Now we have to make a word where all the S's are together. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. When all the S's are together, it means what? S. So 4 places are there, and then we will left with 9 more places. But we know that when we have to arrange a group of letter, word, numbers together, then we consider them as a single unit. So these are not 4 S's. Actually, this is only 1 unit. Now we have to arrange these 9 and this 1. And we have to arrange 10 units. So required number of ways would be equals to the required number of ways. That would be equals to 10 factorial. Okay, we can arrange these 10 places in 10 factorial way. But now are the repetition. How many repetition are there? There are 3A, 3 factorial. Okay, there is 2 I's, 2 factorial, and there is 2 and 2 factorial. Okay, so that would be equals to what? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 3 factorial is 6 and this is 4. So 6 times and 4 times. Okay, so these would be the required number of ways. You have to just multiply these numbers. Okay, now think about, is it, I have done it right or wrong? Give a 30 seconds think to yourself, is it right or wrong? Yes, is it right or wrong? Shouldn't I divide it by 4 factorial as well? Because they are repetition of S as well, 4 factorial. So should I divide it by that? No. Because here we are considering this as a 1 unit. Otherwise, if we have to divide by 4 factorial, then we have to arrange 13 letters, not 10 letters. Then we have to arrange 13 letters. That would be 13 factorial upon 4 factorial, 3 factorial, 2 factorial, 2 factorial. But there, it is not guaranteed that S will be together. When we want S's together, then we will consider this as 1 unit and we don't divide by the 4 factorial. That would be unnecessary. Okay, I hope it's clear. And that would be a 1200. That is the required number of ways. Okay, so now please pause the video and note it down.